Hey, you welcome. In today's video, I will share with you how you can import and edit your PDF files on Canva all for free. Canva will then do the magic to break them down into editable elements so you can convert, annotate, and customize them instantly, just like any other design asset. So guys, this is actually a new and cool feature that Canva just rolled out, and I want to show you how you can do this. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get started with today's tutorial. Okay, so welcome back. Please, if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification. And please do like this video, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can show it to more people that are looking for a similar solution. Okay, so let's get started. Now, the first thing you want to do is to have the document. Now, when I say PDF document, it could be an ebook, a planner, a guide, or something, but in PDF file format. So far you have the PDF document. You can import this document into Canva, then you edit all of the elements inside the PDF. So once you have your PDF document with you, the next thing you have to do is to log into your Canva dashboard. So just go to your Canva, and I think for now this works on the browser version, though I haven't tried it on my Canva app yet, but I prefer to use Canva browser, the web version, for this particular thing. Okay, so just log into your dashboard, and there are different ways in which you can import your document. So the first way is you dragging and dropping the document. Okay, so I have some documents here, right? So I'll just drag and drop them. So you can just drag and drop. Can you see? So that is one of the method. So let me show you the second method. Okay guys, so the other way in which you can use to import the PDF document is to click on this button, create a design, purple button. So click on it and you will see this import PDF. You can see there is this label beta, so it is still in the beta stage. So here is the thing I would like to tell you, this is still in the beta phase, right? So Canva will likely be rolling out more updates. So this is just a new feature, so they will be rolling out more updates as time goes by. So there might be some changes after creating this tutorial, but trust me, it will not be that much. Okay, so let's continue. So you can just click on this import PDF and you can select the PDF. So I downloaded this PDF document. These are just demo PDF document that I downloaded from Google Docs and some from I downloaded some online. So that's what I'll be using as a case study. So just click on open and boom, it will be imported to your Canva dashboard. Simple. So once you have imported your your PDF file or document, the next thing you do is just click on the PDF. So I'll click on, let's start with this. So these are just about 2 pages PDF. You can import many pages PDF if you have to. So I'm just showing you this. Can you see? Now what you might be thinking is, oh, this is kind of too small and all of that. So increase. Can you see? You can zoom. Now let me open the document itself, the document I downloaded, so we can compare and contrast. Okay, so now this is the document itself. Can you see? Okay, let me do something here so we can see the two documents. Can you see now? So I have the first document. This is the original document and this was the imported document. So the beauty of using Canva is that it gives you access. You see, editing PDF is kind of tedious. Trust me, it's kind of tedious because you might at the end of the day just destroy the whole formatting on the PDF or something. So with this method, Canva will help you. You see, all of these elements, it will break them down so that you can edit it. They have written the program, the software helps you do that. So that is what Canva help you do. So you can now go ahead to edit the name. You can edit the name. Okay, let me give it a name. Pet. So you can just edit this text here. Can you see it? So there are a lot of things you can do, a whole lot of stuff you can do, and the beauty is you can import new elements. Like you can put more designs, more elements into the PDF, and that just makes a whole lot of sense. Now look at this. I can decide to delete this image. Now see this. Canva helps you to retain the same formatting. Can you see? It makes sure the frame is still in the PDF. So the space the frame is containing is still there. So all you need to do is just import another image if you want to. Do you get it now? So this is just awesome. So I can decide to just import a new, okay, let me see if I can search for a photo here. Dog. Okay, I think this is awesome. Can you see? So I can decide to change some of the elements, and that is it. So guys, I don't really want to waste your time or bore you with a whole lot of stuff here. Just to show you it is possible to edit PDFs on Canva, and trust me, this is a very cool feature. So it can even add more pages to the PDF document. There are a whole lot of stuff you can do. I can decide to also create a new or add a new element or add a new design or something. Okay guys, so when you are done with this, the next thing you want to do after the whole design and formatting, the next thing you want to do is to now click on download, and you'll be presented with different options. Can you see PDF? So if you want to still export it as a PDF, you can do that. So I'll just select PDF, print, or standard. It depends on what you are using it for. So let me just select this, then I'll click on download, and boom, it will download. So we'll see the difference. Yeah, save. Okay, so let me open this. Okay guys, so now that I've downloaded, let's see the difference between the original and the new document that I just created. Okay, now this is the original document, right? So let's see the one I just downloaded. Can you see guys? You can see that the edited title and the image all appear here, and it works just fine. So guys, this is really cool, very cool. Just check it out, and I'm very sure you will like it. So guys, this will be the end of this tutorial. But before then, in case you have not seen this tutorial on how you can convert your PDF or your digital ebook to a digital flipbook, I would advise you go watch this tutorial. I'll put the link in the comment section below. You can as well visit the link you are currently seeing on your screen, adelekesamuel.com/flipbook. So go watch that tutorial. Trust me, you will like and love the tutorial. So guys, here is the thing. This is where we'll stop for now. If you got value, please do well to like the video, drop a comment, and also share with your friends. And please, if this is your first time on my channel, do well to hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification. And thanks for watching up to this moment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.